Alright, yo, what is up? I'm playing I Am Monkey right now, and we gotta try to help the monkey, even though I already played this game before. I got so many guns.
Talk about nailed
Like, I can shoot at this elephant.
See that
Wait,
thick
what if I
skull and it's
don't? What if I shoot at his nose?
I'ma whoop your ass.
Oh, they're nails! I didn't know that.
that ain't
Yeah, I
a super
might
soaker
switch
duck.
games. This game is
Help
kind
them.
of a little boring. I don't know why I got it.
If I scream, will it chase?
Ah. Put the banana down and step.
Get out of here!
Time for a swing again and I'll refund. Exfil complete.
Monkey
Keep your bananas.
versus
Protect and serve. More like pummel
this
and hit
guy.
harder or sit down.
Security
Nightstick
guard.
Express. Next
That
stop.
hurt.
Nightstick Kiss.
Oh. Ooh.
Escape route? Any route.
Get out of
Swing
here!
again and I'll
Before
refund
I call you
Don't
the
do
monkey.
scary.
Cheap shot, Fuzzbrain.
Not trying to
Plot twist.
break
Okay.
this.
Oh.
I had enough. Give me this. Ooh. I dropped something. What you guys want? Crap. I got security on me now. Wait, oh, he's not. Popo.
Let me clocking out of chaos later.
Oh, that's crazy.
My plot twist.
I
There's a
dropped
new
the
exhibit called Oops.
Can of Febreze.
How
Take
dare
him!
you?
Just kidding.
Crime scenes.
Give me your gun.
Law hurts.
That's your
You're
my
messy.
gun now. Give me your gun.
Equal rights, equal left hook.
No, give me your
Law
gun.
hurts.
Give me it.
Authority.
Someone
Oh, it's my gun now.
Law says ouch.
Hey, it's my gun. I got 2 guns. Now get out of here. Starting a crime scene. Oh, great. Get out of here.
That was too. Full sprint. No.
Take him, remember?
I'm in danger.
Heh, now it's my gun now.
My turn, tail.
I shot myself. I'm gonna leave. This game is kind of boring. Hold on, guys. How do I pause? How do I pause? How do I pause?
Oof,
Stop.
I guess I can't pause.
You need a ladder to reach
So you guys are gonna have to watch me go into another game. I'm going into Animal Company. See what I can do. I like the intro music. Yeah, W intro music. Oh yeah, guys, don't mind my avatar. Don't mind my avatar. Oh, broccoli.
Oh wait, what? What's on broccoli?
You know what? Never back.
Bronco.
Yo, AJT, where are you?
Don't anyone
Yeah?
dare touch my broccoli.
Where are you?
Where are you?
6-7.
Nah, bro.
At the building spot.
Nah, get out of my broccoli, you little midget. Get out of here. Think I should have more.
Oh no!
Yeah, what if I take that thing?
Oh no, it's just short!
Yeah, don't try that.
Well, who can carry me, bro? I'm coming. Who are you? Not to you, though. I'm
Yo, who wants to play? Who wants to get money?
There's something strange in the neighborhood. Yo, don't. No, I got this thing. I need it. I just acted like I was a kid.
If I join a code and I'll join you. I have to report a kid though.
Porn?
What?
Porn? 2 seconds.
Hi, I'm Beard.
I'm cooked.
Gubby, Gubby, ham, Agent Gubby from Japan. Now I'm gubbing with
Did I just
Gubby's
eliminate
going
that?
ham.
I think I just killed that guy. Shamina, mina, waka waka,
Hey, son, remember when you tried to eat me?
Hello. No, bro, you know I could just restart.
What? Please shut up.
How about you shut up?
Playing a
Hit
bunch
my
of games
ass.
today.
What's going on?
Yay.
Yo, guys, join code 5531 to get money. You're red.
5531? Let me just
Come on, you wanna go join? Yeah, we're going to the cave to get money.
5531. I guess. I just joined someone's code, and I don't know why. No one's even in here. Oh, just one
No,
person.
my cousin's joining.
I didn't.
We're gonna get some money.
I didn't know if anyone was in here. Yeah, I'm recording a video right now.
Oh, actually, do I got action back here?
Let me see. Tiny bit, but I'm trying to be family. Anyways, yo, did Burley?
Hey, wait, short. Quick question. How much money do you have?
Let me go check. I got to take off my shoe. Follow me. Oh, the hell was? Here, let me see. Let me check. 945.
1,000 or dollars? Normal.
Wallet. It says. Oh wait, 0. Company coins? No, 0.
No, nuts.
Oh, nuts? I don't know. Hold on. Let me do something real quick. Color. How do you make orange? I need to find a way to make orange. Hold on, I'll check right now. Hold on! Now I need
Raph, are you in yet?
gorilla torso.
Join code 5531.
Right arm should be.
What?
Would be a frog.
What?
But
What is he doing?
what am I doing?
No, my cousin. There's somebody modded Animal Company. He's in my cousin's server. And he's like,
Oh, okay.
Raph, join my code, bro.
Frog. Now I gotta go left arm. I need a frog left arm. Right, yeah, let's do duck, frog. I'll do duck. Hold on, let me spin around. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, right round, round. That's crazy. Round, baby, right round. I'll just let me do duck.
6-7.
Oh wait.
The best kiss.
Yo, hold on.
Alright, come to the shop area.
6-7.
Eyes. Hold on. I need I think it was the pug eyes.
Yo, like, what is
I
that?
need to see what I look like.
Like the crystal area?
No, like the shop
There's
area.
pug eyes. Gorilla eyes.
I am.
Yeah, polar bear eyes are good.
I am.
Color, no. Animal, no. Outfit.
Yeah, this is
No.
Look at this rod.
Hat? No, I don't. No. I just need to find a head.
My hands aren't moving, right? I'm just floating.
No, it's gorilla, I think. I'm sure. Now. Oh, that would be good, bro. But I sadly don't have it. Pug, no. Gorilla. And now, hold on, let me change that. The torso, I think. Let me see
Like,
which
does it
one.
look weird like my hands are teleporting?
I think it was actually duck torso. Nah. Pug.
No, I'm top one with it.
I think it was polar bear. Yeah, it was
Look, my
I'm
hands
a
are staying
Cheeto.
still right here. Look at me.
There we go. Alright,
My hands
I
staying still.
finished. Oh wait, I forgot
go then.
something. I forgot
Are my
something.
hands staying still?
I gotta take off though. I think
they're
it's an
going.
outfit, none.
Where are they? They're going like, go
Clothing.
back here, they're going like. Wait, but
Yeah.
does it look weird? Like, yeah.
There we go. Alright, I'm good now.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Wait, do you know the best? Do you know the best way to get money?
Caving?
Alright, let's try it. Let's go.
Yeah, go, Willie.
Got a cave, I think. That I'm sure.
We need to get a pickaxe, right?
Yeah, we need pickaxe.
Can you get? Wait, can you get me a pickaxe?
I think
I'll see if I have it.
Alright, Raph, here's your. Wait, I'm gonna give him his stuff.
I think
Here's
do
your
I have a
backpack.
pickaxe in
And
here?
here's your shotgun ammo. I dropped your stuff with them. I'm gonna get my loot.
I don't have a pickaxe.
Wait. I need. Wait, Raph, can you buy me a pickaxe?
Wait, hold on. I have an idea. I got this.
You went inside of the cave
Yeah, it could work inside
without
of
us.
Here, you can have this. You can have this.
What is it?
It's a sword and a grappler. Mixed.
Don't go in it though.
Now look. You could cave with it.
Wait. Oh, can you? Oh, you can like hit stuff with it.
Huh?
You can hit stuff with it.
Yeah. It's a sword.
Alright, let's go. Wait, one
Hold
second,
on,
one
I gotta
second,
get a backpack. I gotta get a backpack.
Alright.
Backpack. Can I get this? Can I get
You put it in there.
this? Wait, how many nuts do I have?
You got 2. What'd you even put in there? Don't worry about it. This nice guy gave me something good. He gave me a sword and it's like this grappler. Wait.
Let me get my backpack. Oh, I gotta put someone in here. I'll be quick. Trust. There we go. I got my friend. Stay in there. All right, let's go. Let's go.
1 second.
All right.
I have a flashlight.
Oh yeah, flashlight. That's a good idea. Let me get a flashlight.
I didn't put the shotgun ammo in. Bro, are you able to put goo on yourself?
Yo, guys, don't move.
Where are you?
Yo, guys, don't move.
Flashlight.
Raph, where are you?
I'm in this weird place.
Oh, you went inside of the thing?
Yes.
No, don't go in there.
I'm trying to grab some though. Did it spawn in?
I'm gonna go in the
shotgun ammo.
water.
Alright, good.
All right, I got my
What we
flashlight.
need?
I got my flashlight.
Yeah, Raph, come on, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Here, look at my flashlight, guys. It works very well.
Oh yeah, that. I remember that. Raph, remember when we used to bring like the fish? With that thing?
Let's go.
We went to the cave. Wait here. Nothing's killing you. Bro, because you're literally in the main spot, retard.
No, I blinded myself. No. Oh, yo, let's go. Hot dogs. What? Oh,
No,
time to go. Yo, where's
I
our...
don't know.
Where is he?
Actually,
No, I forgot.
no, but
See?
Wait, what the hell?
Oh, wait. For what?
what?
40. I found...
Turn off the freaking light. Turn off the light, bro.
This better not
You
break.
guys get your own place, bro. I keep calling in, bro.
Hold on, no. Here, put it in my backpack.
Oh, I can't get up.
I need...
We're gonna expand. Wait, what's it called? Are you able to dig?
Oh, those are nuts. 35 nuts. There's some more nuts. Sadly, it's gonna be a hot. Oh,
I thought it just spawned.
we found.
Wait, is it a gas line? It's not a gas line.
Hey, stop! Cut that out.
Sorry. What did we get?
Let's go, boys.
Bro, I've not got one singular thing.
Come where we're going.
I'm taking down.
Come where our hole is.
Wait, where are you guys?
Go to our hole.
Oh,
Cause that's where we are.
what do we have?
What the hell is this?
Oh,
You guys are getting a lot of stuff.
yep.
Oh, no. Wait, I need a pickaxe because, like, Raph, are you
Everyone down here.
Yeah. I'm going my different way, bro.
All right. Have fun.
You guys, don't pick this up. Guys,
Where can I get this? Can I get this?
it's the same thing anyways.
Wanna put it in my backpack?
Yeah, I'll put it in your backpack.
All right, hold on. Here you go. Why do I feel like one of us are gonna die?
From what?
Sure.
Probably him, bro.
Bro, I feel like one of them. I'm gonna go walk.
There's something up here. There's something up here.
Yeah, they're nuts. The screws.
There's two.
Bro, I need like,
How hard is this one?
Alright, so whoever hits me next, I'm dead. Just saying.
Alright, same, bro. Don't hit anyone.
I think we should go our different route. Different
Yeah,
ways.
I'll go upwards. I'll go over here.
I'll go over here.
I got this
bro, no,
area.
our light's already there. I guess we're going this way.
How did we end up on the same way? This is a workout, bro. This is a workout for our arms. Alright, let me go back in my route.
Alright, yo.
Yo. Oh,
Everything we have, drop it down here.
hold on.
Yeah, drop it down there. Yo, I did need a pickaxe.
Everyone, if you find anything, put it in my backpack.
Oh crap.
Oh, I saw it. Yo, I need an actual pickaxe, but it seems to do enough damage.
Yeah, bro. I think I need a pickaxe. Oh! I found some good stuff. Oh!
Turn
Oh,
off the light,
it's
bro.
carrots,
Bro, I
carrots.
can't see.
Nice, a carrot. Here. Bro!
There, just put the stuff down here. Just put the stuff down here.
Put the stuff down there?
It's easier.
Alright.
Oh, and it just floated there.
I I gotta get my sword. Oh, you found nuts. Mama, can I have a candy bar? Thank you. Why is Lulu barking? Oh, Zach. Oh. My little brother. I forgot I was recording. Yo, don't grab stuff down here. This is our stash. Are y'all doing good?
We're doing good.
Alright.
We're doing good.
Alright. We're getting
My arm's getting so
stacked, bro.
Oh, what are you doing, bro? Come on.
Oh, that light's actually really good.
I'm helping. No, but you're gonna...
Oh, carrots!
Another carrot. Oh, we hit a good spot.
Oh, jackpot, bro. Jackpot.
Ooh. Hey, almost open this. What is that?
What
Yo!
Get out of here! Kill him! That's why I said this weapon's good. Or this... Kill him!
My hand's stuck.
Get out of here, you 100-year-old. Watch out. There he is. I'm gonna try killing him. There he is. Let me get him. Hold on. I wish we had an RPG or something. I'm kind of losing health because of this dum-dum. Here, I'ma just... I really want to kill this guy, bro. Get out of here. Yo, just trying to kill this guy. We're finding more loot, bro.
Carrots, guys, carrots.
No, there's so many carrots, bro. We hit a jackpot.
Oh my lord.
Here y'all go for light. Oh my god, there he is.
Oh shit.
Just one, please. Oh,
Yo, this thing is low-key helping us, not gonna lie.
yeah, seriously. Yo, guys, look how much stuff we have. Are we getting? Yo, this guy.
Oh my god. Oh.
Holy crap, bro! We hit the jackpot.
I know.
Like,
Isn't
bro,
this crazy?
when we get out of here, we're about to be rich, bro. We're gonna have like 1,000 company coins. Maybe even more, bro. Oh my god,
Another
where
carrot,
is that
bro.
thing, bro? Did I kill him?
Right now, he's fast.
Yeah, our thing's not. Did we kill him?
Oh, he died, yeah, I killed him.
Oh, he dropped the loot chest. Oh, ammo. He dropped ammo.
Yo, let me get that.
What?
I have a shotgun.
The shotgun ammo?
I have a shotgun.
Here. Here you
Put
go.
it.
Okay.
Right here.
Did it go in?
Yeah, someone help me with this. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh wait. No, never mind. It was... Oh. Alright. There's so many carrots, bro.
So many, bro.
They probably sell for a lot.
is a workout for my arms, bro.
No.
I swear, I'ma just go up and get an RPG and just RPG this whole place. So it would probably be easier, bro. I got some few now.
Yo, he just spawned back.
He did?
Yeah. And there's a new carrot. I just saw it spawn in front of me.
So many of these freaking thingies, bro.
Yo, there's so many like carrots floating around.
Yeah, bro. Bro's helping us out too much. Oh, guys, I found another area.
There's still way more over here.
Guys, I found another area. Guys, I found another area. I found another area.
What do you mean?
Follow me.
Wait 1 second.
Oh no, over here. Did he cover it up?
Where is it?
I think he covered it up, bro. Bro,
Oh,
yeah,
wait,
right here,
what
right
is this?
here, right here. We're not even finished.
Guys, let's go collect the carrots, bro.
Yeah, let's go collect
Hold
them.
on.
Put them in
Okay, alright, I'm gonna leave my pickaxe over here and pick up some carrots.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go leave my thing right there and collect them.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave my thing right here. And my flashlight.
Yo, my backpack is full. I could like barely like fall.
Who's calling, Mom?
Wait, guys, are we not gonna talk about the carrots we made?
Oh, carrots help you. Guys, carrots help you. I ate them.
What do they do?
They help you with light.
Oh crap.
Alright, I'm gonna get some more stuff. Wait, let's make a new area. Let's find more places.
Alright, hold on.
The heck? Is this yours?
Yeah, that's mine. That's mine.
Yo, like so low.
More carrots, bro.
Oh, damn, why is there randomly so much light? There's a carrot thing over here. Oh, fine.
Eat it, put it near your mouth. Like when you're done mining it, put it near your mouth.
Bro. Oh my god.
Like, hold on to it and eat it.
Yo, wait. Do you guys want me to go get a pickaxe?
Yeah. Oh, I killed
Oh
it.
my god. Do you want me to go get you a pickaxe?
Yeah, can you give me a pickaxe?
Let me find the entrance or the.
I'm gonna like collect these.
All right.
I'm gonna hold this and like use the pickaxe.
Oh, guys, I found something. When I was trying to come up, look.
Oh, bench. Oh yeah, I saw this before.
All right, let me go get pickaxes for us. I need to find an intro. Where is it? Up here. Alright.
Please don't break this.
Alright. Going to get us pickaxes now. Huh? Oh. Getting us pickaxes right now.
Alright.
Alright, I'm finding them right now. Alright, coming back. Need to find the grapplers. Grappler. There we go. Alright.
Yo, where you at?
Coming back.
Alright.
Hold on. I gotta put my flashlight in here. Alright, in the cave right now. The entrance. It's hard for me to come back because I filled my backpack up with loot. Thousands of dollars. Okay, out where we started, coming down.
Alright.
Alright, coming.
Your rap, look at this, look at this.
See you. Alright guys, here, come here, come here. Alright, so here you go, here you go.
I have a pickaxe.
Oh, wrong person. Here you go. Alright, sure. So I also got extra
Does
stuff.
anyone have a light? Anyone
also
have a
got
light?
extra
Yo,
stuff,
give me your
bro.
light.
Bro, I also got extra stuff. Do you think we're gonna need all of this? Do you think we're gonna need all of this?
I mean, and maybe in case.
Yeah, maybe. But let me put all the other stuff away.
What the heck?
Oh,
You guys, look what I found.
what?
Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm scared. Where are you? I'm down in this big pit.
Oh yeah, I found that too.
No, don't hit it. It might explode. It's a gas. It's a gas thing. Stop.
It's way better.
Oh wait, it might be. It is. Look. Alright guys, my backpack's full. Start putting stuff in your backpack.
I don't know if my backpack.
Wait, Raph, can you put this in your backpack? Mine's full. Alright. Put that in your backpack. Guys, you wanna head back? Yeah, let's head back so we can come back.
Go.
Let's go back.
I can't come up.
Use your grappling thing.
I have a grappler. Hold on.
Alright, we have to get back to the surface. If there's any ores that no one picked up, find them.
There we go.
Alright, I'm gonna head back.
It's hard for me
Wait,
to
one
come
sec,
up.
one sec.
My backpack's filled to the top.
We need to find, oh, we're here. This is the hole up here. Alright.
Royal. Bro,
We're at the top.
the top? What you mean the top?
We're at the top of the sand pit, or the sand pit.
Where we started? Where we started? Alright. Yep. Alright, I gotta go, sorry.
We're going to cell. Come fast.
Alright. So, I don't know where to go. I lost. Oh my god! I lost. Where to go? I'm lost. Oh, here we go. Alright. I'm gonna get off right now, Mom. Alright, I gotta go. Alright, I'm back onto the surface. Alright, I'm back.
No, wait.
Hold on. Let me go.
I know, come quick.
I gotta go, sorry. Well, anyways, that guy knows. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe. Bye.
No, wait.
Wait.
No, come on.
Sure, please. Yeah,
What?
yeah.
Cell. Cell, did you sell? We're going to cell.
I gotta
Where's
go.
your backpack?
I gotta go, I'm sorry.
Where's your backpack though?
Can we sell it real quick?
Yeah.
Give me.
Look
I
at
see
all
it.
the stuff that's in there.
Alright.
I gotta go though.
Alright, see ya, bro.
Outro.
Oh, what is this?
He's my pet. He can go. He can go.
No, don't let him go.
You want him?
Yeah, of course I do.
Over here. Wait, hold on. I gotta remember.
Yo, Raph, I'm gonna keep these. No, wait.
No, I'm keep.
So anyways,
I-
bye guys.
Sell, see ya.